Filipinas recipes. In this episode, we will show you how to cook Ginataang Bilo Bilo. Ginataang Bilo Bilo is like the warm soup version of Halo-halo because they are the same when it comes to the fruit ingredients. The difference is that Ginataang Bilo Bilo have rice balls and it is cooked in coconut milk. The word Bilo Bilo refers to the rice balls while Ginataan means to cook in coconut milk. So the first thing we're going to do is to make the rice balls. What we will need is 1.5 cup of glutinous rice flour, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and a drop of ube extract for flavor. And then we will mix it and blend it until it forms a dough. So this is how it looks like after mixing it. I ended up adding 3 more tablespoons of water and I mix it using my hand because it is so much easier. And it feels like a soft and chewy dough. That's how it looks like. So the next thing we're going to do is to roll it into small balls on our palm. First is to put flour on your hand to avoid it from sticking, and also the plate where we are going to put the Bilo Bilo balls. Put some flour on it. That's it. And get a small portion and then roll it on your palm.
Let me.
Ay, it's big.
Oh, it's gonna be big.
Tapos, palitan mo naman namin. Pwede naman natin shoot-an.
Maliit.
So this part is a bit tedious and you need to be patient because we need to roll all of it. And you will make about 12 to 15 balls. I was wrong about the number of balls earlier. I actually made around 40 balls, so it's a lot and the size are varying, but there I made about 40 balls. So what we're gonna do next is to cook the soup. We will need 2 cans of coconut milk, which is a total of 800 ml. So pour them all in a pot. And then we will need 1 can or 400 ml of coconut cream. Coconut cream and coconut milk are different because the coconut cream is what we call unang gata, or it is the first milk squeezed out from the ground coconut meat. And then 1/2 cup of small can condensed milk. We will just adjust the sweetness later. and then 2 leaves of pandan leaves. And then we will bring this to a boil. We can now remove the leaves. And then we will now add 1 large size of sweet potato, peeled and cut into small bite-sized pieces. And then cook this on high heat for 7 minutes. We will now put the rice balls, and then we will set the heat on medium. And then we have here a jar of jackfruit, but we will only use half of it for it, including the syrup. And then stir. Half jar of makapuno or coconut strings. Stir and then balls. Then we will also add 1 cup of cooked small tapioca pearls. Now to cook the pearls, what I did is I first soak 1/4 cup in 3 cups of water for around 20 minutes. And then after that, I boiled it for another 30 minutes. And then after boiling it, to keep it from burning, I just let it soak in the hot water for another 10 minutes until all the whites in the middle are gone. And so this is the result. Clear tapioca pearls. For the big ones, the cooking time may vary, but you can try the same method. And then we will cook this for 5 minutes on medium heat. Try to taste it first and see if the sweetness is alright according to your level. If you think it's still too bland, you can add more condensed milk, maybe at an increment of 1 tablespoon.
Nice.
And then just add more until it suits your level. So it's good. And just let it simmer for 5 minutes. Don't forget to occasionally stir within that 5 minutes, and if it's becoming too thick, you can add a few cups of water more. You can start at 1 cup and then just add little bits of more water until the desired consistency is achieved, which should be like this. And then I'm going to add a few drops of ube flavor. This will give this a light purple color and also an ube aroma. Okay, mix it until the color blends well. The ube flavor is optional. You can skip this. And Ginataang Bilo Bilo is usually served during breakfast, but you can also serve this as snacks or as a dessert. And then, for the last part, we will add 2 cups of peeled and cut bananas, at least ½ inch thick. And then just simmer this for another 2 minutes while stirring occasionally. And then you can serve it while it's warm. And that's it. So that's it. That's how you make Ginataang Bilo Bilo. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have comments, you can tell us in the comment box, and you can check the link in the description box below for the written ingredients. And that's it. Thank you so much.